Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best electric wheelchairs. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 10. We have the IMC Heartway Rumba HP4 Power Electric Wheelchair. This IMC Heartway Rumba HP4 Power Electric Wheelchair can be easily disassembled for transport. The 4,600 RPM 450W motor and 2 to 12V batteries provide power. Electronic, self-generating brakes and rear anti-tip casters offer security. Moreover, 3 different body colors and 2 seat colors give it an attractive appearance. It is a light but a reliable electric wheelchair. Moving on at number 9, we have the Drive Medical Cirrus Plus Folding Power Wheelchair. One of the top-rated power wheelchairs for traveling. The Drive Medical Cirrus Plus electric wheelchair is available in 3 sizes: 18 inches, 20 inches, and 22 inches. It provides a portable system for the user, allowing the electric wheelchair to be carried anywhere. There is freewheel operation, adjustable tension, padded back upholstery with a storage pouch and cushioned seat, along with a programmer controller. It comes standard with a durable seat belt, seat cushion with a pouch, swing-away footrest with calf straps and heel loops. At number 8, we have the Golden Technologies scooter-powered wheelchair. This is one of the best choices for outdoor travel purposes, as it is light in weight and can be easily carried around from one place to another. With a comfortable, stadium-style seat to facilitate your upper body, this electric wheelchair is best for people who love traveling. The heaviest piece weighs only 35 pounds to easily be lifted into the back of a vehicle. The Lite Rider Envy offers a comfortable ride all day long, with a stadium-style seat and a generous footplate, plus bigger 22 amp-hour batteries so you can go further than ever before. At number 7, we have the EZ Lite Cruiser Heavy Duty, HD, Deluxe. This electric wheelchair is portable and can be stored anywhere in the house, and perfect for indoor and outdoor use. Moreover, this electric wheelchair is another best option for travel. It boasts one of the quickest and easiest folding and unfolding action compared to other such items. The DX12 model is equipped with 7.5 front wheels and 12 inches rear wheels. It has the quickest and easiest folding and unfolding action ever. It literally will unfold in 1 second. The back support reclines in 5 positions, for maximum comfort. The motors have an optional patented quick-release feature to split the chair into 3 pieces, with the frame weighing approximately 30 pounds and the motors with wheels each weighing approximately 15 pounds. This makes the EZ Lite Cruiser the lightest and most portable foldable mobility aid ever. At number 6, we have the EZ Lite Cruiser Deluxe DX10. Another product from EZ Lite, this particular wheelchair can be defined by its portability. It is best for indoor and outdoor use, and the design makes it another great option if the user likes to travel. The DX10 model is equipped with 7.5 front wheels and 10 inches rear wheels. It has the quickest and easiest folding and unfolding action ever. It literally will unfold in 1 second. The back support reclines in 5 positions, for maximum comfort. The motors have an optional patented quick-release feature to split the chair into 3 pieces, with the frame weighing approximately 30 pounds and the motors with wheels each weighing approximately 15 pounds. This makes the EZ Lite Cruiser the lightest and most portable foldable mobility aid ever. At number 5, we have the Pride Go Chair Travel Power Wheelchair. Although this electric wheelchair is simple, it has increased weight capacity, allowing obese individuals to use this special electric wheelchair. Moreover, the heavy-duty batteries lead to more long-lasting battery life. If this was not enough, the Pride Go Chair Travel Power Wheelchair comes in a wide range of colors, allowing them to choose their favorite color and not being restricted to just one choice. At number 4, we have the Portola Tech Mobility Chair. The aim is that the specially abled people should not feel like they are missing out on their life, and Portola aims to achieve the best for them through this product. It is equipped to work effortlessly both indoors and outdoors, to be free to socialize if they wish to do so. Along with agility, it is also very comfortable. The Mobility Folding Electric Chair offers the most effortless folding and unfolding for a wheelchair, and hence, maximum convenience to the end user. Ranger X6 is speedy and fun to move around and gives extra speed to have more fun for all the individuals. The battery life capacity is also double, so it lasts for a more extended period. It also comes with 2 storage baskets. At number 3, we have the Pride Mobility JAZZY600ES Jazzy 600S electric wheelchair. Occupying the 3rd position in the list, the Pride Mobility 600S electric wheelchair's position is justified by the features and quality it offers. It is one of the most stable electric wheelchairs you can opt for. Furthermore, the wheels allow it to move smoothly indoors as well as outdoors. The Jazzy 600S provides excellent performance and outstanding stability. Its compact design and standard active track ATX suspension allow it to excel indoors and out, making it a superb, all-around power chair choice. At number 2, we have the upgraded compact mid-wheel power chair. When talking about this motorized machine, it can be best described as a simple yet premium quality work that allows adjustable functions and extensions to the armrests. There are also numerous safety features, including a seat belt and a stable frame. And finally, at number 1, we have the new FDA approval electric power wheelchair. This special electric wheelchair secures the highest position in the top 10 best electric wheelchairs list. And yes, the reason for such a high ranking is justified. It is stylish yet comfortable. Also, it is portable and can be easily folded and taken anywhere. Apart from that, the manufacturers of this electric wheelchair can support up to 330 lb. It also provides you with everlasting quality and endurance. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.